Try this. Okay, this is the OK hand exercise. We start with an OK hand shape. Don't lose that OK, okay? Don't let the OK touch the cello either. If you can see my fingers, it's still keeping it right there, kind of behind. I'm pulling the cello towards me. I'm gonna play a G, open G, fourth finger G. And now I'm gonna slur 4, 3, 4, 3, and try to make it sound as pretty as possible. Just let that pinky come up a centimeter at the most. Try to keep any motions out of the arm so you're not doing a lot of big things like that. There's a proper angle for your wrist and your elbow to kick out enough. Too low is going to make it too hard. Be out with the elbow and out with the wrist. Show the audience the back of your hand. Take the same exercise to the A string. D string. G string. This is foundational for the left hand. The next step is to take your OK sign and open it up. Take that first finger, have it be straight in the sky, and keep it there. Don't put your thumb to the back of the cello. Keep your first finger straight. If you're having trouble doing this, take your bow away and just practice the left hand. A string. First finger still in the sky, thumb still not touching the cello. D string. G string. And extra credit C string. This one's kind of tougher because the angle is harder. All right, that's it.